Hi everyone, The Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to change the export resolution on your Edits Instagram app. So if you're editing your Reels on the Edits Instagram app and you want to change the resolution, so maybe you want to export it in HD quality or maybe in 4K quality, then let me show you how to do this. So first we'll go ahead and create a new project. Next, we'll go ahead and choose a media. Now once the media is in the timeline, at the top right here, you'll see 2K. Go ahead and tap on that. And now you can go ahead and change the resolution. So you can make the resolution HD or you can make it 4K. Now once you've chosen resolution, go ahead and tap on export at the top right, and that will export your project in 4K or whatever resolution you have chosen. So there you go guys, that is how to change the export resolution on your Edits Instagram app. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.